The Dragonfly Commander 3XL is the newest and most versatile UAV platform in the Dragonfly lineup. It has been dubbed the Swiss Army knife of drones due to its rapid deployment capabilities and the wide variety of payloads and applications that this award-winning airframe is able to support. The Commander 3XL is a modular and highly capable system that packs down into 2 transport cases. These cases house the aircraft fuselage, 2 arms with integrated motors and retractable landing gear, quick attach carbon fiber propellers, flight batteries, charger, and the control unit. The Commander 3XL arms attach to each end of the fuselage by aligning the nylon end cap with the socket on the fuselage. Once aligned, apply steady pressure until the arm clicks into place. To complete the arm assembly, ensure that the 4 arm cam latches mounted on each side of the fuselage are securely latched around the arm. The arms do not have a specific front or back, they can be installed in either orientation. There are 2 latches per arm and they must be secured before flight. The retractable landing gear can be manually extended during system setup. Simply apply gentle pressure to rotate the landing gear leg to the extended position. Each landing gear leg incorporates a nylon latch near the pivot point. Apply pressure to this latch to ensure the locking pin is secure. The Commander 3XL utilizes quick attach propellers. Propellers are keyed so they cannot be installed in the wrong orientation. To secure, simply set the propeller in place on top of the motor and secure with ratcheting lock nut by hand. While tightening the propeller in place, you will hear and feel a clicking feedback as the ratchet engages. Continue to hand tighten until fully secured. With the airframe installation completed, flight batteries are installed by unlatching the 2 quarter-turn fasteners to remove the battery hatch cover. Next, pivot the battery into the battery bay and then push down to secure the battery latch. With the battery secured, the battery hatch cover can be replaced and secured via the quarter-turn fasteners. This process is the same for both the front and rear batteries. The Dragonfly ground control station attaches to a tripod using a quick attach dovetail. Extend the tripod legs, attach the base station, and open the lid. Radio antennas should be rotated upward and orientated to face your flight area. Launch the DG Ground Control app that is pre-installed on the supplied Android tablet to program and control the Commander 3XL. The airframe can accommodate a wide variety of payloads via its easy-to-use mounting system. Simply attach a payload to our universal top housing and plug the male end of the top housing to the female payload receptacle under the Commander 3XL. Finish securing the payload by hand tightening the housing ring to the airframe. To remove, press down the release tab while turning the housing ring clockwise to disengage the payload from the airframe. Heavier payloads can be secured to mounting rails, which are easily attached to the airframe by lining up 2 pins to mounting holes on the Commander 3XL and securing the rig with a half turn of 4 mounting levers. No matter what the use case or the payload, the Dragonfly Commander 3XL is up to the task and will have you operational in minutes.